We spend 90,000 hours in office during our lifespan. That is around 1/3 of our life. Email is the main communication channel during this time. If you are the person who wants to make work life and workplace more positive using this communication channel, let's talk about it, how we can make emails more positive. Hello everyone, I'm Neetu Chaudhary. Let's talk about how we can make emails more positive. First thing we can do is that writing what needs to be done rather than what is not being done. When we say that something needs to be done, we create an opportunity for the growth, for the improvement. But when we say that what is not being done, we are creating a negative energy by pointing out that okay, somebody has missed to provide something, there is a gap in some word to be done. So to make an email positive, it's always to check the language, is it positive or not, and is it writing what needs to be done rather than what is not being done. Second thing we can do is that rather than replying a one-word response like yes, no or okay, it's always good to add something to it. Yes, it is possible, please go ahead. Yes, it's a good idea, please implement it. No, it is not feasible in current situation because of so and so reason, so we'll park it and do it later. No, it is not possible for time being. So add some details with a one-word response. Third thing which can be done is that if the mail trail is very long and we are replying to somebody and forwarding to somebody and writing it, please do needful, then that person has to go through the complete mail trail to understand what is required to be done. Now this not only requires effort and energy, it gives the impression to the person that we don't value time and effort of that person, so that person has to go through the complete mail trail. The second thing is that sometimes that mail trail is a bit vague and it's not very clear what needs to be done. That creates unnecessary confusion. So it's always good to write clearly what needs to be done. If the mail trail is very long, so write clearly step by step what is required from that person. The fourth thing we can do is that sometimes the mails are copied to 100 and 200 people, and imagine if everybody is doing thank you to everybody, then what will happen? We are getting more than 200 thank yous, which is overwhelming for our inbox. So while it is good to say thank you, it is more positive if the many people are there in the email, just copy one to one, or maybe the line manager or somebody who's required in that email, only one or two people, reply to them with the thank you and add something to thank you. Thank you for your efforts, thank you for your prompt response, thank you for providing details. This thing is much better than replying to everybody. Fifth thing which we can do is that we learned it in our kindergarten, but somewhere as we grow up, we forgot to use thank you, kindly, please words, especially when we really get annoyed. So consciously we can try, even if we are annoyed, we can maintain professional decorum and use these words as frequently as possible. Using these words doesn't mean that we are showing our weakness. We are expressing our courtesy and our professionalism by using words like thank you, please, kindly. So we can create the positive world, positive workspace by using these 5 things. First is that writing what to be done rather than writing what is not being done. Second is refraining ourselves from using a single word reply like yes, no, rather than we can add something to it. Third thing we can do is that provide some details when we are forwarding some email with a very long mail trail, just writing the please do needful. Provide some more details within what is required from that person. Fourth thing, when the mail trail, when the many people are copied in the email, refrain from sending thank you to everybody. Rather send it to the concerned people, set of concerned people. And the last thing we can do is that use please, thank you and kindly as frequently as possible. Hope this helps you in creating a positive workplace. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your experience.